Aandiki mivea 12 yiulu onthe 14 alama manalootilwe mituki ni musumbi William Ruto kutongoesya ngava sya mivea kivathukanyo nimathuimwa kwi umunthi ni nzama kivathukanyo sya mbunge nene kati wa alama vika mbe wa mbunge kwitetea yiulu wa utonyekanu wo kutwika aandiki ni vamwe na Fikrin Jacobs ula ukunewa ukava wa amoika Dr. Ouma Olunga ula ukunewa ukava wa uiti na Stephen Isaboke muveani wa mikomokanilye na ICT kati wangi Benjamin Mwaka yanarivoti.
Wi muthena munene kwa ma-PS Aloote kutetea utoni pamwe na utwika wombe wa yumbe kukonya myama ya serikali ila mananengiwe ni President William Ruto kulika serikali nene ta Aandiki atenika siumwa ile mbetu. Fikrini Jacob Savikite mpe wa nzama mbunge ya Social Protection kutetea unyivu wake ta PS wa amoika nwaweta serikali na mwana munene wa kukwatiania na kutungia ngwatanio yake na amoika uthukumine na utongo ine wanthi weta thini usenene kwa amoika itino amuvia kukwata mutongoi wa miaka ya youth kutongoesya.
The young people of this country are happy, and I think this is open for everyone in this country to see, and I believe we are going to give an opportunity, and I wish to fervently ask you, Honorable Chair, and the Honorable members to pray for me that I go through, so that given an opportunity we could come back and begin the partnership with you before we consider the multinationals, the other state departments and other places on bringing the youth agenda to a reality in this country.
Kwa hiyo mimi nakuomba kama mama yako, and you know I'm very proud of you. Ukifanya kazi ya vijana hakikisha pia wale ambao wametengwa unawaleta karibu ndio tuwabadilishe wao watakuwa vijana wazuri.
If this committee find you fit and the National Assembly as well, you have a lot on your plate. But from what we have heard you speaking today, Fikirini, even me, I was not fikiriering like that. So from what we have seen today, we have seen a very dedicated man who, given this opportunity, can transform the youth sector.
Dr. Ouma Olunga na gavikite mbe wa nzama mbunge ya maundu ma uiti ta PS Aloote muviani munini wa uiti nwathana kukitea mwana wa uiti wina withianu na wiananu kwa kila mwene nthi wa UHC pamwe na muvango wa serikali wa uiti wa SHA ayuweta uiti ni gitina kinene nthini wa maendeleo ma nthi serikali nene na ila sya mituki.
And I think it is very important to strengthen dialogue, and I will strengthen dialogue. I will never ever run away from dialogue, and I have the capacity and the ability to sit on the table and negotiate, and that negotiation is based on truth and is based on the availability of what we have.
Stephen Isaboke na ulolotetwe ta PS mweomoviano amekumukalie na ICT inevinda yomumbe wa nzama kutetea mituo na uthukumi wake wa tene sekta ni kivathukanyo mvala nzama ya mbunge amekumukalie na ICT ya mwenda ethu watu wakufitukithwa ethu mustali nwambe kutetheisya serikali kwa ile mikumukalie yake kwa mwene nthi mivango ni avata ya serikali ya kimaendeleo.
It is for us as a committee to satisfy ourselves from his presentation that he is fit to hold office in the office that we are interviewing him for, and reminding ourselves also that that office requires for him to conduct many other functions beyond just the technical understanding and know-how. There is a space for leadership, a space for administration, a space for all these other policy and so on.
Isesothi ikathilwa kwambililia ukite wala ma-PS Aloote makethwa mamuthia Kuthuimwa ni mbunge. Vilingo wa mavo kumava kaunti ni lovi nyenito Benjamin Mwaka.